here the
Okay.
Pega components and rule types is there, right? Here I'll cover
Ah.
all those things. Okay.
Oh, acha, acha. Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. Now, yesterday we have created the framework application, implementation application, and we have discussed about the enterprise class structure and the inheritance, what exactly the class group. That is very, very important. Generally, they will ask in the interviews also. Okay, this is the basic questions they will ask. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what are the different rule types in Pega? Okay. Here, these are the different categories actually. Okay. Here, if you
Mm.
can observe, this is the user interface. Here, different rule types are there, like paragraph, portal. What is here, right? We are able to see the App Studio, Dev Studio. All those are portals, right?
Mm.
Just if you can
Mm.
open here, right, from the records, we can able to see all those portals. If you want, we can create here admin studio. This is a portal. Developer studio. This portal is launching. Okay. Express
Mm.
means
Mm.
app studio. These are the different portals. And one more thing, right? Section means here. Once you are able to log into any website, right? You have to you are expect a customer is expecting to see some login screen or some UI, right? That UI,
Mm.
complete UI, actually that thing I'll tell you. Actually, inside the portal, there is a harness. Inside the harness, we are embedding a section. Actually, by default, right? Whenever every operator ID is pointing to an access group. From the access group, it is pointing to an application. There, we will pointing to one portal. Correct? Yesterday we have seen it, right? I'll show once again.
Mm.
Yeah, this is the operator ID. Why for this operator ID, why it is showing developer portal? Here I'm able to see the dev studio, means I'm able to see the developer portal. Correct? Why it is showing only developer portal? Means my operator
Mm.
ID is pointing to this access group. This access
Mm.
group is pointing to this application. Okay, and here
Mm. Mm.
I am giving the developer. That is why
Okay.
it is showing the developer portal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That is the yeah, actually whenever we are discussing about the sections and all, right, regarding
Mm.
UI, then I'll tell completely about the
Mm.
complete UI structure. But
Mm.
initially, right, this is the portal. Just
Mm.
I'll open one portal here. This is the developer portal, right? Here,
Mm.
if you can see here, what I told, inside the
Mm.
portal here, operator ID is pointing to the portal. Portal is
Mm.
inside the portal. There is a harness. Harness is one type of rule. Okay.
What is a harness?
Yeah. It's a kind of a rule, but from the portal, right? Here initially we can harness means it can embed like it's like a structure actually,
Mm.
structure like a template.
Template.
My
Okay.
section, my screen should be this kind, this much left.
Oh.
In the left, I have to show some menu kind of thing. In the
Oh.
footer should be there, header should be there.
Mm.
Inside
Mm.
that,
Mm.
how I can split the complete screen. That is the
Okay.
hardness
Okay.
actually. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just the splitting part only. And here
Okay.
this is the
Okay.
harness. Okay. Inside the harness, there is a section. See, here this is the section.
Ah.
Okay, the actual
Okay.
look and feel, whatever. Suppose I want to in the one screen is there in the middle.
Mm.
I want to see the basic information. That basic information I can configure in the section.
Okay.
Okay, the major UI
Configure.
things, right? Majorly we will
Okay.
the portals and harnesses we won't work on it because if it
Mm.
is a scratch kind of project, right? Then only we can get a chance to work to create the portals and harness and all actually. But majorly,
Oh.
maximum of the projects are ongoing projects, right? So in
Correct.
that
Correct.
projects, right, maximum we will work in the with the sections only.
Okay.
Okay, this
Okay.
is the portal
Okay.
and this is the section.
So
Skin,
what you
skin.
mean is the harness
Yeah.
will already be there already,
Yes,
and
harness, yeah,
maximum.
portal and
Oh,
harness already will be there from the harness, because those are the major things, right? Because once those that design should be very critical, because
correct.
after that, if I want to disturb it, right,
Uh,
I need to do many changes. That is why
changes.
the normal
Hmm.
junior developers won't work on it actually. Senior
Okay.
developers and majorly at least at the architects level.
Architect level.
Okay, at least
Got it.
not they won't work on it, but then we need to get the approval from them.
Hmm. Hmm.
Senior developer can
Okay.
work on it, but we need to get the approval from the architect,
Okay.
because
Got it.
those are
Okay.
the look and feel. Because after that, right, once the
Hmm.
sections everything is completed, right, if I
Hmm.
want
Hmm.
to change again, I need to change the sections and all UI, right? If we touch
Yes.
anything, right, again
Yeah.
we need to do. Of course it is
Correct.
easy, but
Hmm.
unnecessarily we don't want to waste our time, right? That is why harnesses and all we won't work on
Uh,
it, because initially, right, even if it is a scratch kind of project, right, initially the
uh,
architects will give some case types and all initial design they will give, right, then only
okay.
they will create the basic harness and all, actually the portals and all. What we need to do,
Okay.
just we need to do save as, and we can reuse it, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
You will only
maximum, right, we
add.
will work on the sections only.
You will only add or edit the sections.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is these are the things. And skin means the colors, css we will add, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
generally, right, in the sections we won't add colors and all actually. If we can
Okay.
want, we can, but the very limited limited feasibility we have to
Uh,
add colors and styles in the
okay.
in the sections actually. That is why
Okay.
we will use the skin. But
Hmm.
right, regarding skin, we won't touch anything, because the skin changes, right? Pega UI developers will do those changes actually. We won't touch skin
Oh.
generally.
Uh-huh.
Explicitly, Pega UI developers will be there. They will work on the skin.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And to work with the skin, right, we need to create some controls and all. For that also we need some css knowledge. HTML CSS is there, right? Cascading style
Mm-hmm.
sheets. That knowledge
Hmm.
we should
Yeah.
have actually. Okay, for
Okay.
that one.
Okay.
Even the paragraph, all are the different rules. Okay.
Yeah.
The
Hmm.
the user interface means regarding the UI. Regarding the UI, whatever the rules we will use, all those rules will be here. Okay.
Okay.
Here
Hmm.
under technical. Under the
Hmm.
technical, right, there is an activity, and text file. All these sections are there, like a circumstance, template, functions. Here, functions means if you want to embed any Java code, because Pega itself will provide some features, but sometimes those features are not sufficient to fulfill our business requirement. Then what we need to do,
Uh,
we need to write our own functions with the Java code.
okay.
Okay, but very less, very few cases we will use. Okay,
Okay.
and one more thing also, right? Here, one more thing, activity. Activity is very important, but Pega itself is not recommended to use the activity. It is always recommended to use the data transform, but it is not possible actually. And one more thing, right, even if it is the ongoing project, right,
Uh,
most of nearly 85% of our development will round with the activity and uh, data transform, these two only. Maximum we will work with the activities and data transforms. If we know how to use the activity and the data transforms, and what are the different methods, and what are how we can loop, there are different concepts will be there, looping and all, how we can use all the activity and data transform very effectively, right? our
hmm.
our development job is very easy actually. Okay.
What
here
is the difference between an activity and a data transform?
yeah,
Like,
I'll tell you
what is?
in later
Okay.
sections because separate modules will be there for the activity and
Oh,
data transforms. Then we will discuss all those things. Okay,
okay.
and this
Okay.
what exactly we will write in the activity means we will write our business logic. Okay, to
Oh.
maximum we will write whatever we want, right? Suppose I want to copy some data from one page to another page. Otherwise
Hmm.
I want to open any work object means just because right it's development is like ongoing, right?
Hmm.
Already
Hmm.
some
Hmm.
cases some cases will be created by the users,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
I am doing some enhancement. So whatever the cases which are created, right, those will be the in flight, correct?
Correct.
Whatever the changes I am doing, whatever the enhancements I am doing, those also should be applicable for the in-flight cases. Then what I
Correct.
need to do, where these in-flight cases will be, these in-flight cases will be in the database. What I need to do, I need to fetch the data from the database. I need to do some that enhancement. Like so suppose I have done a simple property set, just I have changed some value. That value I
Hmm.
need to change all that logic, whatever it is, maximum of the logic I can write in the activity. If I want to integrate any other service, I want to
Hmm.
I need to get some response from the REST service, then I can use connect REST. Many methods will be there. All those
Hmm.
methods we need to use to achieve our business logic. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And one more thing, sysadmin. Sysadmin, right here, classes. These are under the in this category. Classes will be there. Class groups will be there. Database table, database different rules. Declare index is there. These are the different rules. Actually, agents and job schedulers. These are for the background processing. All these things we'll discuss it later. But all those are under sysadmin category. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What under the survey? Survey, I didn't used it actually. I'll tell you
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding the security, right? Access
Huh.
groups, many access groups are there, right? Access deny, many related to security. How we can like privileges means uh, till which extent we need to give a user we need to give the application access because
Okay.
for every customer no need to give all the accesses of the application, right? For the
Correct.
developers, right, just we can give
Yeah.
the developer access. Even for the customers also only till some extent only we need to give the access.
Correct.
Okay, only for the
Yeah.
managers we need to give some access. All those accesses means it's a kind of a security related, right? All those
Yeah.
things will be managed by these rules. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And one more thing is reports. Reports means just like we need to show the reports, right? How many cases are created in this month? What
Hmm.
yeah, for the particular status, how many cases are there? Just to be, generally we will show the reports, right, in the applications.
Yeah.
For that purpose, we
Yeah.
will use the reports. Okay. Process
Okay.
that this one I will tell you. Process flows, all those things I will tell you now. Okay, we'll keep it right. Organization here, all related to organization. Operator ID. This is my operator ID, right? All the operator
Uh-huh.
ID, work groups,
Uh-huh.
the group of people we can call it like a work group, work queue. All those things will be
Okay.
under this category. All these things, right, regarding for integration, related to integration, whatever the rules we want, all those things will
Uh,
be under these four categories. Okay, because
Okay.
of one by one in detail, right, all these things we will discuss in deep later, because for everything, right, there is a separate module is there actually. Okay,
Oh.
decision here decision making based on the suppose loan is there, if it is approved, what is the flow? If it is rejected, what is the flow? Based on some decision, right, we need our flow
Uh,
should be differentiated, right, deviated kind of thing.
uh,
All those decisions will be managed by these rules. Okay, regarding the
Okay.
data related, data model, database, just I want to load the data.
Huh.
How I can load the
Huh.
data, how I can store the data, all those things can be managed by these rules. Here only the data transform will be there. Okay, database, these are
Oh,
very, very important concepts actually.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
and application definition, how many applications are there, many applications we will create, right? The rules set, everything, all those things will be under this category. Okay, these are the different rule types, okay, in Pega. Okay,
These are already pre-existing rule types, is it, in Pega?
yeah, these are the, yeah, these are the different rule types only. Already some
Huh.
existing will be there, we need to create some some new rules also. These are just types.
Okay. Okay, rule types. Okay.
Yeah, some are
Huh.
with the Pega application, right?
Huh.
Some suppose one this is the data transform, right?
Hmm.
Here, here if you can see, right? These I have created, whatever I have. See, Pega. This is the rule set. See, all these
Oh.
things are provided by the Pega. These are the existing one. Okay,
Oh,
with
okay.
M cards, this is my application, right? Whatever
Oh, this is.
whatever is there with my with this rule set, right? All these things
Hmm.
I have created.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
so yeah,
Okay.
according to our requirement, right? We need to create these rule types. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay,
How did you come to this page? Can you just show me once?
yeah,
This
records.
records. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
records. Okay, here, right? We can
Got
see all the existing one,
it. Okay.
and
Yeah.
if you want, we can create this. We can
Oh.
call it like a records explorer.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is apps explorer, case
Okay.
explorer, data explorer. Okay,
Okay.
max we'll use very frequently these four:
Okay.
case explorer, data explorer, app explorer, and records explorer. Okay,
Okay. Huh.
that's it. Yeah. Now Pega components. This is done. Before before understanding the rules and all, right, just we will discuss about the data model. Means
Hmm.
basic things, right? What are the basic things are properties, right?
Hmm.
How what
Yeah.
are, how we can store the data
Hmm.
in Pega, which rules we can use to store the
Hmm.
data in Pega. Okay, which
Hmm.
kind of, in which properties, which kind of data we can store it. That we will discuss. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This thing I'll tell you. First, I'll tell you. Yeah. Here in properties. Okay. Data
Hmm.
will be stored by using the properties. Okay. Here,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Two types of properties are there. Yeah.
Hmm.
Base mode properties, value mode properties. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Under page mode properties, right?
Hmm.
Uh, there are three types. One
Hmm.
is single page, simply a page property, not a single. Simply we can call it like a page property. Okay.
Hmm.
And page list property. Okay. Page group property. Okay. This is the single value. Value list. Value group. These are the six different types of properties. Okay. Yeah, single value or simply a field also we can consider. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose which type of value we can store in the single value property. Okay. That is, suppose my name is there, like Santoshi. Okay. Simply my name, just only a simply okay, one single value will be stored here. Other than that, nothing. Okay. Suppose Santoshi, otherwise Sangeeta. That's it.
Okay.
Anything. Okay. Single value will be stored here. Okay. Suppose now we are group of suppose one cricket team is there. Okay. All the members, just we want all the members first name. Okay. Suppose I will consider like ABC is a value list property. ABC1 will hold the value Kohli. Okay. Like that. ABC2 will hold the value Sachin. Like that. All the first names it will consider. Hello? Yeah, okay. Here, this one also will hold kind of all the phone numbers kind of thing. Okay. This is a value group. Value group also. Suppose the difference, right? I'll tell you. Suppose phone number is there. Phone of home. Some value. Phone of office. It will hold some value. Here the difference, right? This is a this kind of array. Value list means like a array. It is like a array kind of thing, right?
Array.
ABC of 1, ABC of 2, like that. Value list means it will hold the values like that. Okay. Value group means it is not like that. It won't contain the 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. A specific value it will contain. That is value group. Okay. These are the value mode properties. Understood? Are any doubts here? Here, right? Based on that, according to that, we need to use these properties. But generally, right, here in our real-time environment, maximum in the value mode properties, we will use the single value properties only. Very less frequent times, we will use the value list. Value group, very, very rare. Okay. These are clear, right, till now?
Yes.
Now, pace property. Pace property means it's a kind of a complete data of the one particular person. Just I am giving the examples, right? Okay.
Yes.
We can consider like one product complete details, the cost, color, something, all those details like that also we can consider. Just I am giving for the understanding purpose, where we can use the pace properties, where we can use the value list properties. Just suppose, right, I need to get one particular product data from the database, right? If then how I can, which property I can use? The page property only I can use the complete data. Only just I want the product name, then I will use single value.
Use the single value.
Okay. Because based on that only I can choose the property. That is why understanding of this, where exactly for which purpose, what it will store, that we need to understand. Okay. Just pace means, suppose my data, my first name, last name, my where is my address, all those details, all those details of the single person. Okay. first name, etc. of
Okay. Hmm.
single person. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the page. Page list means a group of people. First, it will contain first name, last name,
Hmm.
okay, etc. of 10 members kind of thing. In a group, suppose there is a 10 members, 10 members.
Okay.
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 So I will tell you the example. Suppose products, list of some 10 products are there in the database. Suppose if I want to get so like product 1, product 2, till product 10, that complete the complete details like cost and cost and quantity, color, everything, whatever it is. Okay, all that
Okay.
data is stored in the
Stored
database.
as a
Okay,
page list.
yes, yes. In the database, it is there. Okay. If I want to retrieve particularly the product 5, then I can use a page property. Okay. If I
Okay.
want to retrieve
Okay.
all the 10 products, otherwise only 5 products, whatever it is. Okay. Then I can go. I can use the page list.
Page list. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here, right? The page. Suppose if it is a page list, right? Suppose like XYZ is my page list property. XYZ of 1. It's kind of an array. This is also XYZ
Yeah.
of 2.
Okay.
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 XYZ of 3. Like that. It will store the values like this. Like
Okay.
value list only, but value list will
Yes.
store a single value. But
Yeah.
this page list will store
Will store
more
multiple
values.
values.
Yeah, multiple values it
Yeah.
will store. Okay.
Okay.
Here page group also, it's a kind of, it will fetch the data of multiple data of more products kind of thing, but the only the difference, right, it will contain like XYZ of some name we will give. Okay, XYZ of name too. Otherwise we can consider like my page list is XYZ of product 1. It will be stored like this actually.
What is the difference between the list and the group? I'm just trying to...
Nothing actually. It's same, it will store, but it's not like an array. It will contain some value. Here like value list, value group, both will hold a single value list only.
Correct.
Right, but only the difference, right, value list means it's like an array, 1 2 3 it will hold. First record will store in the ABC of 1, second record will store in the ABC of 2, third record will store in the ABC of 3.
Okay, but in
right,
value group
it's not like that. Phone of home, it will store first record. Phone of office, it will store the second record. Like that only. Here, right? Here 10 products are there. First record will store. If it is a page list, XYZ of 1 will contain the first record. XYZ of 2 will contain the second record. Okay, like that. But here the page group, right? First record, XYZ of product 1 will hold the first record. XYZ of product, it's like a the just the different, the functionality is the same, but the representation is different. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
These are about the different properties. Here, right, maximum we should be very much familiar with single value properties, but these are very easy, and we should be very much careful about the page and page list properties. Very frequently we will turn around with the page and page list properties only. Okay. Sure. Because page you can understand, but page list is a little bit of confusion, because right, suppose 10 products are there, 10 products will be stored in the page list property. What I need to do, I need to add some property of discount 10%, right? What I need to do, I need to loop loop it actually. I need to loop the page list and I need to add the discount. This looping and all these concepts are very, very important. Whenever we are discussing,
Okay.
right, we can do the real time thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. These are about the data model and this one. Okay. Before going to the user interface, right, just we need to understand about the case cases. Okay. We need to create one case. Okay. Okay, I am creating one here, right? Just I have what we are trying to achieve, right? Just I am initiating one implementation. Okay, just I want to build a simple screen to the user. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. Now just for the implementation, what I want a case. Okay, I'll create case type like. Okay, this is the thing here. Here, this is the class group. Okay. Here already my versions are there. That is why it is taking the latest version. Okay. Now my master case type just I have created. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Case, this is case life cycle. Okay. Here, this is very, very important actually. Okay. This is the basic thing. Okay. Here,
What is a case type in general? I mean,
like any implement, suppose for the loan process is there, right? We have seen the list of steps are there, right? That is just like a flow diagram I have shown you, right?
Correct.
The complete thing we can arrange in the case life cycle.
Okay, all those steps.
Yes, all those steps we can split into different stages. Okay, that complete process we can arrange here the case life cycle. Okay, means the case life cycle means here suppose master, this is a loan for just consider like this is for the loan process to get the loan process. Okay, initially what a customer will do, customer will request for the loan, right? Then what the bank will do, okay, what initially it has to do, it has to create one case. Okay, how we can create that I will tell you. Okay, it has to create one case. Okay, after once it is creating, right, what it has to show, it has to show some data, the some basic to it has to show whenever they have created the case, right? Okay, it has to show some user interface to collect the basic information of the customer. Okay. Yes, correct. Once the basic information. After that, what we need to do? We need to go for the KYC check. The next screen, the KYC related thing has to be display. Okay. Next thing, whether KYC is approved or not. If it is approved, we need to go with the another one. Okay, and if it is
Okay.
approved, one flow. If it is rejected, another flow. All those things we will configure in the case life cycle only. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Suppose,
Okay.
right? Suppose you have joined to a new to
Oh.
the new project, right? By
Ah.
looking at the case, you can understand the high level flow of your application.
Okay. Perfect. Got it.
Okay,
Okay.
by looking
Yeah.
at least you don't know the complete thing, but
Hmm.
at what are the stages?